Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2017 Ford Focus. The engine coolant reservoir is in the passenger side of the engine bay. The level markers are easily visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are relatively easy to remove. The latter even comes provided with a fuse puller for your convenience. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a relatively hassle-free procedure. The clear instructions on the touchscreen menu will make for a straightforward connection process. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. All of the headlights have convoluted access. Those in the main housing will require the housing to be removed before the bulbs can be accessed, which will require tools and some force to remove. The side turn signal light in particular will require the side view mirror to be removed for access to the bulb, which will be very challenging on account of its fragile construction. Although the battery terminals are easily accessible under a single cover, the entire air filter housing will need to be removed for access to the bracket. This will require many different tools and will end up being a time-consuming procedure. This vehicle does not come equipped with a traditional spare tire and jack kit, but rather just a compressor kit instead. Depending on the severity of your flat, this option may leave you stranded if your tire cannot hold air. Overall, the 2017 Ford Focus is a rather difficult vehicle to maintain, and prospective owners would do well to have a bit of prior knowledge of vehicle maintenance.